Welcome to the Benefit Reward Hub. In this video, we will show you how to use the Benefit Reward Hub site to access your available benefits and healthy rewards. To begin, click the Extra Benefits Hub page button and scroll to the page to see the benefits offered by your health plan. Follow these steps when you're ready to request and order a benefit. Number 1. Click the Request button. Number 2. Complete the steps to confirm that you would like to request this benefit. Number 3. Please wait for the reward tile to appear so you can complete your order. Number 4. Click Redeem and enter your personal information and confirm how or where you will be receiving your benefit. Remember, it's important always to provide a valid shipping address with no P.O. boxes and an email address to make sure your order makes it to you. Number 5. Click Next and review your information you provided. If everything looks correct, click Submit. You've successfully ordered your benefit. Switching from the Extra Benefits Hub to the Healthy Rewards page is quick and easy. Scroll to the top of the page and click Healthy Rewards in the menu bar. Scroll to the page where you see the rewards you can earn for completing qualifying healthy activities and screenings. Look for the box in the top right corner to see your health rewards dollar balance. When you're ready to redeem for your earned rewards, click Redeem in the top menu bar. Click the tabs to the left to see your options for digital and plastic gift cards. Click the image of the card when you've made your selection and you're ready to order. Choose a card amount that's within your available balance. Enter your personal information to confirm how or where you will receive your card. Remember, it's always important to provide a valid shipping address with no P.O. boxes and an email address to make sure your order makes it to you. Click Next and review the information you provided. And if everything looks correct, click Submit. Your card order has been placed. We are here to help. Scroll to the bottom of any page to find information on how to reach the Help Center for additional help with your benefits and rewards. And thank you for watching and participating in the Benefit Reward Hub.